of joy, a day about pride and accomplishments. And this is the much awaited moment in every student's lives as it gives the returns to the efforts put in by the learners throughout their academic endeavor.
Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today marks the 7th graduation ceremony of the senior high school level of Ozami City School of Arts and Trades with the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas.